Look at this. Does it pain you guys to see T'Challa like this? Because it definitely pains me to see it like this, man. This is absolutely nuts. But there's an explanation for why my guy looks like this. This guy, well, not this very guy, but this guy is the culprit. Don't know how, don't know why, but the piece of this electrode broke off inside the motor, and it was causing the bike to act up pretty crazy. Usually when this happens, because I have heard of this happening before, usually when this happens, the electrode will break off, but it'll be spat out by the exhaust. But for some reason, that didn't happen with T'Challa. Of course, that's my luck, right? At least that's the theory of what we think was going on. But we got the engine out, we got the head off, and we are going to be sending off to the machine shop. So you can see on top of here, see how that valve looks? Looks kind of crazy compared to the other ones and compared to another cylinder. So we think this may be the culprit, and hopefully we'll get this restored and renewed and restore any power that I was missing, Kev, because
yes,
this thing is this is frustrating as hell. This is really frustrating, but I mean,
plug failure, man, that'll get you.
Yeah, this is really unfortunate, man. But I mean, it happens. It's bike life. It happens.
That's all you can do.
Yeah, this kind of hindered plans for me getting another bike, but we still may make that happen. I've always wanted a second bike. So we'll see what we can do about this, but for right now, this is how T'Challa is looking, and we are going to be sending the head off to the machine shop, I believe, this Friday. They're going to tell us what else we possibly need so that we can get this thing back up and running. And no, I do not think I'll be doing any modifications to the head other than restoring it, because anytime that you modify things, you could, and I'm saying that you will, but you could hinder the reliability of it. So I want to keep T'Challa pretty stock. I want to keep it as reliable as possible, and get this thing back on the road ASAP, man, because a brother is tired of not riding. So we'll take you along through the journey, all the repairs, and we'll show you guys how we install it back into the motor. These guys did a great job taking it out. So we got the bottom of the motor sitting right here, and we got the head right next to it. Valve cover is off too, so T'Challa is completely broken apart, but everything looks like it's fine. So we'll get it to go. Hopefully we'll be down no more than like another 2-3 weeks, because I need to enjoy my summer. Kev is working on another project over here. Looks pretty dope. But yeah, we're gonna keep you guys updated with T'Challa as it comes along, man. Well, guys, this is where we at with it for right now. All the parts have been ordered, all the parts have been received, all the parts are at the machine shop, so I'm just waiting to get the actual head back from the machine shop, get it back to the garage, and get this project on the go with putting the motor back into the bike. And you guys should already know, I'm definitely going to take it back to Ricardo at Motorcycle Mall, get a dyno tune, see exactly how much power it's making now, and really compare it to what it should have been making versus what it is making now, which should definitely be a significant difference. And I definitely want to get to at least one bike meet before the season ends. Maybe the last one, I don't know. We'll see what happens, man. We'll see how everything plays out. But the most important thing is getting T'Challa back on the road ASAP, because I miss my dog, and continue to salvage whatever's left of the season, because I've missed so much of it already. But I will see you guys in the next episode, people. Be on the lookout for Build Series episode number 2. That should be when we're putting the bike back together, and my first ride on it too. So I'll see you guys in the next episode, people. Peace.